Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Practice English Speaking podcast.
Yes, so happy you're here. Today, we're talking about a morning routine that helps you feel calm, confident, and ready for the day.
Learning English isn't just about vocabulary. It's about building confidence and better habits.
Exactly. Better English and a better you.
Practice prompt. Repeat after us. I can start my day calm and confident. So let's start with mornings. Why do they matter?
Because mornings set the tone for the whole day. If your morning is calm, your day feels calm.
And if your morning is chaotic, well, stress follows you.
True. Even 5 minutes of intention can make a big difference.
I will start my morning with peace, not panic. First, the moment you wake up is important. Don't rush.
Right. Don't roll out like a sleepy potato. Instead, sit up slowly.
Think one tiny thought, like, today will be calm. Your first thought shapes your day.
I start my day with one calm thought.
Next, we focus on breathing.
Yes. Take one slow breath in and slowly out.
This kind of breathing lowers stress and clears your mind.
Calm breath first, power later. I breathe slowly and feel calm.
Now hydration. Drink a small sip of water.
Just one sip can wake your body gently.
Coffee or tea doesn't count. Water is the real energy drink.
This tells your body, we start the day with care. I drink water and wake my body gently.
Step 4. Sunlight. Go outside or sit near a window.
Even 2 to 5 minutes of light lifts your mood and clarity.
Sunlight increases serotonin, the calm chemical.
Cloudy day? No problem. Outdoor light still works. Sunlight gives me energy and happiness.
Gentle movement now. Just a small stretch.
Roll your shoulders, lift your arms, or stretch like a cat.
Tiny movements increase blood flow and wake your body.
No need to be an athlete. Just ease into it.
I move gently and wake my body slowly. Now give your brain a small job.
5 quiet minutes for focus. You can journal, read, or practice English.
This builds momentum. One small action leads to the next.
Your mind learns purpose before distraction. I spend 5 calm minutes for my future self.
Gratitude time. One honest moment of appreciation.
Not big drama, just something real. I am grateful for this morning.
Gratitude releases serotonin and dopamine, calm and motivation chemicals.
Even tiny gratitude works. I am grateful for this moment.
Let's review our 7 steps: intention, breathing, water, sunlight, movement, focus, and gratitude.
Gentle, small steps create real growth.
If your morning isn't perfect, that's okay. Presence matters more than perfection.
My small steps today create big growth tomorrow.
Now, let's talk about calm energy.
Not loud, I can do everything energy. Quiet power, steady confidence.
Every morning builds this little by little, and English learning is part of that growth. I grow calm, confident, and strong each day. Sometimes mornings feel chaotic, phones buzzing, thoughts racing.
Yes, life throws 47 things to worry about.
But gentle routines protect you from chaos.
A calm start helps the day feel possible.
I choose calm over chaos every morning. Intentional actions shape identity.
One calm thought, one mindful breath, one sip of water.
These small habits define you.
Momentum builds, confidence grows.
My habits create my strong, confident self. Even 5 minutes of focus matters.
Small actions every day become hours, months, and years of growth.
And practicing English during this time makes learning easier.
Tiny, consistent efforts are powerful. I practice English a little every day.
Sometimes we forget to pause and notice small wins.
Yes, even getting out of bed calmly is a win.
Celebrate small victories. They add up over time.
Every step counts, even tiny ones.
I celebrate small wins every day. Another tip? Speak your goals quietly to yourself.
Just a sentence like, I will learn English today.
Saying it aloud helps your brain focus. Your mind starts working with your words.
I speak my goals with confidence.
And finally, end your morning with a smile.
Smile at yourself in the mirror or just inside your heart.
Smiles release happy chemicals and start the day positively.
Gentle energy, calm mind, happy start.
I smile, I breathe, I feel ready.